Hi friends, once again welcome back to my another channel. Welcome back to my channel. Seashell art and craft is a creative practice that utilizes seashells as the primary material to produce decorative or practical items. These crafts highlight the unique textures, shapes, and natural colors of shells collected from beaches and coastal areas. The process usually begins with selecting seashells of various sizes and types, followed by cleaning to remove sand, debris, or organic matter. Artists and crafters often preserve the shells' natural appearance, though some may polish or treat them to enhance their shine and durability. Because seashells are fragile, delicate handling, and sometimes reinforcement are necessary during crafting. Seashell such as driftwood, glass, or metal to create sculptures, jewelry frames, or home decor. This craft form often carries a coastal or marine theme, evoking a sense of nature, tranquility, and the seaside environment. It celebrates the beauty of natural objects and encourages appreciation of marine life. Seashell art can be both simple and sophisticated, suitable for beginners and experienced artists alike, and often serves as a reminder of beach memories or a connection to the ocean. Seashell art and craft. Seashell art transcends decorative purpose, often carrying symbolic meanings such as connection to the sea, renewal, and the passage of time. The natural variations in shells mean that every piece of art is one of a kind, reflecting the uniqueness of the natural. Overall, seashell art and craft represent a harmonious relationship between nature and human creativity, where the ocean's gifts are transformed into tangible expressions of beauty, culture, and environmental awareness. The craft can range from traditional folk art to contemporary design, embraced by hobbyists and professional artists. See, I really hope guys you like all the ideas that I shared with you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Wait for my next video. You will see many the different, unique, and beautiful ideas related to seashell art and craft. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.